it's looking tragic, with a child's approach, we'll playfully make some magic. We'll lie on the grass with me, see the beauty up above. We could open up our hearts and find love. Well, people all over the world that have been walking the circles for centuries believe that we've become empty, unconnected and lonely. We need to develop a sense of community and unity for our human race. Move to a far deeper place, a truly creative space, not mesmerized with our eyes on just the surface face. Now look at the healers, spiritual teacher leaders, new ages, pagan witches, Wiccan teenagers. They're reflecting the stages, they're bringing the changes to our unconscious 21st century days. They're bringing the wisdom of ancient ways to find meaning. They're feeling the need to nourish our hungry souls. So here's how it goes. Join me in the circle. I walk a circle, yeah. I walk a circle. When the moon is full and I will make some love and magic in the circle. Start up in the north to honor the earth. Structure, form, yeah, your physical birth. Move around to the east to fly with the winds, to the realm of your thoughts and your mind. All begins. Then walk around to the south and dance with the fire. Your heart, it must burn with a flaming desire. But get higher and higher than the 3 dimensions that I mentioned. You've got to stay grounded, connected as you walk to the west. For the last of these elements will give you the test. Oh, can you call up oceans of meaning and dreaming and float on the waves of a conjuring feeling as you walk the circle? I walk a circle, yeah. I walk a circle. When the moon is full and I come on, join me in the circle. I walk a circle, yeah. I walk a circle. When the moon is full and I will make some love and magic in the circle. Yeah, I walk a circle. When the moon is full and high, come on, join me in the circle. Walk a circle, yeah. I walk a circle. When the moon is full and I will make some love and magic in the circle. I walk a circle, yeah. I walk a circle. When the moon is full and high, come on, join me in the circle. Walk a circle, yeah. I walk a circle. When the moon is full and I will make some love and magic in the circle. walk, come on and walk sunwise round the circle 3 times. No linear lines, need meditative minds to say the powerful rhymes. And as for protection, contemplative reflection, your thoughts and emotions, you see, they create your reality. The magic you get into and do, it's up to you. Just remember now that whatever you're putting out returns to you. Just remember that whatever you put out returns to you.